Now that I had finished building the boxes, it was time to finish finishing them with some finish. But I'm going to keep it simple. Ever since I started building boxes about 2 decades ago, I've been lining the insides with leather. It's tricky, but with some practice you can get beautiful, seamless results with the suede side up. The key is getting the corners in first, and then the sides can get stretched out towards the edges before they get completely pressed down into the adhesive. If you like what I'm doing here, hit that like button and give me some feedback. I still respond to every deserving comment on my channel. One of these 2 boxes is going to stay in our house, and it was actually my wife's idea to use it as a place to keep our sunglasses safe. So I'm using the rest of this bird's eye maple to make some dividers. That'll work. I was pretty stoked when I saw this package show up on my doorstep. Oh, This was sent to me by Budget Branding Irons, a Canadian company who does some beautiful work. I'll post a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. And that's pretty much it. And now I finally have a place for my sunglasses, and my wife has a place for hers. Hi everybody, I'm Blake Weber, and I just wanted to say one more time thank you so much for the immense amount of support that I've received on this channel, and especially from my small but growing group of members on Patreon. I spent the last 4 months building these 2 boxes, but I'm going to send this one to one of my Patreon members in a new tier that I created called the Maker's Dozen. Now, space is limited to only 13 people, which means you've got pretty good odds of me sending this box to you if you sign up. So hop on over to my Patreon page to check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But honestly, the best thing you can do to support my channel and encourage me to keep making these videos is to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy woodworking and Happy New Year, everyone, from the Weber Woodshop. See you later.